Let's see how to move the logo at the left corner in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, our logo is located at the top right of our document. Now let's say that we want to move this logo to the left part of this document. Now there are two ways to do this. First is simply by clicking on your logo, or in this case, an image. Now click on the alignment option here on the Home tab, align it to the left, and that should move your image to the left part of the document. However, if you want to select or move it to a more specific part of the document, make sure that you change the text wrapping of the image. Now, click on Behind Text to make sure that it doesn't interfere with the contents of our document. And you'll notice that we can now freely move our logo. And that is how you can move the logo to the left in a Microsoft Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.